right, here's one of our 80s classics, you might say. If you grew up in the 80s, you definitely know what this is. 1983 Hurst Olds. Very nice example of one. This particular car, first off, has less than 30,000 miles on it. That is original miles. It's a one-owner car. Came to us, now available to purchase. So if you've been looking for a nice, clean 83 Hurst Olds, here it is. Of course, the 15th anniversary of the Hurst Olds. This particular car, powered by a 307 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. These would have came with 373 gears in the rear. And of course, you can see up front here, we have the correct front grille, the breakaway grille. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside engine bay interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com or down below this video in the description. Go ahead and click on the link. That'll take you right there. Feel free to call us too if you have any questions, like to discuss the car, figure out a way to get it to where you're at and purchase it. We can be called at 507-386-1726. Of course, you can see this is a T-top car. On these, you had basically 3 interior choices also. You could get the light sand velour, which this one has, and it is in incredible shape. Probably the nicest light sand interior I've seen on one of these. You could also get the dark maple and velour, or the dark maple and vinyl. Exterior colors on these cars, there was only one way to get it, and that was black top, silver bottom. Again, extremely low mile car, and it shows, especially when you get around to the interior, show you the driver's seat, check out the dash. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. There's originally going to be 2,500 of these made, but due to popularity, they actually made 3,001 of them. I believe that is also counting Canadian units. As far as the paint on this, I've been around it. It appears that a lot of it is original paint. There was some light checking up on the hood, and I don't think I can get it to show up in the video here, but some real light checking. Most of that, what you're going to see is a reflection from the roof of the building I'm in here. I don't know if you can kind of see that light checking on there. So is the paint perfect? No. Is it in very nice shape? Absolutely, considering a mid-GM, or I should say mid-80s GM paint. Gaskets, a lot of people ask if they will be pliable. They are soft rubber, kind of tough. I wouldn't be surprised if those were replaced along the line somewhere because they are pretty pliable. It does come with the correct GM or Fisher body cases that the T-tops go in. Those will be included in the purchase. So go ahead and check out this interior, see what I'm talking about. Lots of times you see them really grimy and dirty up on the top. Nice shape on this one. Same as kind of where the door handle is here. You start to see them get worn. Now, the seat itself, look at this. Also very nice shape for the light sand velour. Of course, the lightning rod shifters. And again, take a look at that dash. So all stock dash, the Hurst Olds 15th anniversary emblem, correct spot where it should be. AC does blow cold in this car. Of course, power steering, power brakes, cassette player, and radio and everything. I did have that working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. First, with the Hurst Olds, you got the tachometer and the gauge package up here. And as you can see, no warning lights or indicator lights on. There's your miles, 29,721. I noticed earlier the clock is also working. Very well preserved. Example of an 83 Hurst Olds. Just slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 307 underneath the hood. Tell you what, I'm gonna slip up here, probably pause the video a second, and I'll pop the hood and let's check out the engine bay. All right, here you go. Looks pretty stock. I don't see a lot of modifications underneath here. 307 V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Car did have the block heater, I see. So there you go. One owner, 1983. Hurst Olds, under 30,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, underside, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Basically, click on the description down below, or click in the description down below. There's a link. That'll take you right to our website. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.